Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to make bird whistle sounds with your mouth. Now I've heard these sounds being created by birds and I've mimicked them with my mouth. Now I'm not a bird expert, so I don't know which birds made these sounds, but I have heard them out in the wilderness, and I'm going to show you how to make the equivalent sounds with your mouth, whistling with your mouth. So the first thing that you need to know how to do is whistle. Lick your lips, put them in sort of a circular shape, and then either exhale or inhale. Just like that. And you'll notice that if you move your tongue closer to the front of your lips or further towards the back of your mouth, you're going to get different pitches. Generally speaking, the further forward that your tongue is, the higher the pitch is going to be. The further back that your tongue is, the lower the pitch is going to be. If I wanted a high pitch, I would move my tongue forward. A low pitch, I'd bring my tongue back. So the first bird sound, and the most interesting one, is when you sort of create a rrr sound with your whistle. So what you want to do is you want to know how to roll your R's rrr, like that. And you're just going to do that with your tongue when you whistle, and it's going to sound something like this. And that's the first sound that you're gonna make, the first bird whistle sound that you're gonna make. Just roll your tongue as if you're rolling an R sound and whistle at the same time. Right? Very simple. Now the second sound that you're gonna make is going low to high. So I'm gonna take my tongue as I'm whistling, start at the back of my mouth and bring it towards the front. So that's the second bird whistle sound. The third one is actually the opposite, and this is one that I very commonly hear in urban areas, with birds that are in urban areas. You want to go high to low. So start with your tongue at the front of your mouth and bring it towards the back. And the coolest thing about it is that you can actually change the speed of the pitch change. So you can do it a little bit slower, or you can do it much faster. And then the second one, much faster. And the final one, with regards to the bird whistle noises, is to go in and out multiple times. So you bring your tongue back and forth multiple times. Now you can start at the low end, which means that you start with the tongue at the back of your mouth, or start at the high end, which means that you start with your tongue at the front of your mouth. It's going to sound something like this. Now the coolest thing about all of these sounds is that you can take them and you can change the speed of them to make them, vary from one sound to the next. So one bird sound might sound like, and another one might sound like. All that you have to do is just change the tone, but change the speed of the pitch change. But really, those four sounds are the basic sounds to make bird whistle noises. You have the rolling, the R one, the low to high, high to low, and then in and out. And all that you have to do is just change the speed, and you can get a wide variety of bird whistle sounds. And that's basically it. I really hope that you've enjoyed this video tutorial of how to make bird whistle sounds with your mouth. If you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.